Hello and welcome back to Portugal. This is where we stayed last night and we're going to stay tonight. It's a beautiful place. I made a video about it yesterday, but today we're going to do something different. Hang about for this.
Hurry did the DJ Tops, the perfect combination, no confusion. Yo, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. Respect to the man, Seaman.
Hello and welcome back to Portugal. It's me again. I'm going to put my hair up in a minute because I'm going to do some cooking for you. Some camper van cooking. Jo's just coming in. She's just cleaned out the coffee pot. But today, I'm going to start with real basic stuff because I'm no chef, but I do live in a camper van. So first up, I'm going to cook you a poached egg on toast. Woo! I hear you say.
Woo!
I know, but loads of times I've spoken to people and they go, this poached egg, that poached egg, and you can buy loads of different things on the shop. You can buy little cups that you put them in, and people put them in butter and they steam them and they do all sorts of stuff.
Fryers.
Air frying poached. It's a poached egg, for goodness sake. Right, these are the ingredients. This is what you need. You need some. I'm going to open this now and it's going to fall out. Obviously, to start with, you need some eggs. Now, we haven't got a toaster in our camper van, so we have to improvise with toasting. So I'm going to make, I'm going to have this, what I call a cob, but Joanne has bought some really nice bread for herself. So I'm going to make her a slice of that. But the most important ingredient is this. This is distilled vinegar, but it could be, not only could it be vinegar, it could be, what else we got in here? It could be balsamic vinegar. You want anything?
Red wine vinegar.
Red wine vinegar. It could be white wine vinegar. It could be even lemon juice. Lemon juice. What you've got to do is you've got to turn this water here that I'm about to put on the boil, and you've got to turn it from alkaline to acid. Now someone's going to go, no, it's the other way around, it's acid to alkaline. It's not acid to alkaline because this is definitely acid, I'm sure it is. Anyway, I'll put the water on and I'll get back to you in one tick. But what you need is eggs, bread and some kind of acid, whether it be lemon juice, vinegar, white wine vinegar, balsamic vinegar, any kind of vinegar. And all you need to do, I'm going to do it now, look, because this is the last bit of the we're in Portugal and this is the last bit of the Tesco's. So I'm just gonna, that's it, look, just good. In fact, I might as well use it all, look, because it's all gone, and I'll recycle that. So that's it, and I'm going to put that on the boil and I'll be back with you in 2 ticks. Here, so we've got a frying pan on, and I'm going to put some olive oil in it. This is my toast hack, yeah, so just a splash of olive oil. I've turned the heat up, yeah, so it's kind of like fry bread. I mean, if you like butter, you could put butter on that, and that will just kind of fry. The water is rolling, yeah, so we're going to turn the water down a little bit so it's on a gentler roll. Now, some people like to stir it. I don't really care, really. So what I do is, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put the egg, into the water. So you can stir it there. And as you see, if you look, something in the acid, I don't know what it is. Some chemist will tell you. It collects up all the white and makes it all nice and tight instead of dispersing. If you tried it without, you'll soon know what I mean. And that is as simple as it gets. So if you want to come away a little bit, so I need to turn this over a little bit more. Is that on full? That is on full. So our eggs are in. We usually have you know what we usually have is a bit of avocado. Have we got any avocado?
Yes, we do. Well, hey.
Is that?
Oh.
I'm going to go for it. I'm going to
Okay.
go for it because I'm making a video. So, our bread's in, our eggs are in. Joe's going to get the first one. Oh, that's really, really nice avocado.
Oh, that looks gorgeous.
That is really nice. I mean, you'll be doing this in a flat or a house. I mean, that's nearly cooked. That is nearly really cooked. So I'll turn that over one more time just to get a bit more. That bread is really, really, it's like a blooming...
Really dense, isn't it?
Tell you what, that'll keep you going forever.
I
Turn
know.
that down a little bit. And what I'm going to do is, I'll turn off this. I'll put that on there like that. And what Joanne likes is a bit of olive. You like it on the toast, don't you?
Yeah.
So get your avocado, which is really good for you. Full of really good oils. Good for your skin. Good for everything, really. It's not animal fat. You don't want to be using animal fat. Keep away from that. And processed food. And this is it, look. I think now that's kept together. Actually, it just needs another minute, I think.
Okay.
The eggs are still a bit... That one might be done, actually. Does that one look done? Yeah, that looks quite good. See, but sometimes they're absolutely perfect, and other times they're not so good. And this, I'm quite happy with this.
That looks good.
I'm quite happy with this.
Yeah.
And there's nothing sticking, look. It's just a bit of egg white knocking about. I think that looks good to me. So I'm going to plate this up. Oh my word!
Oh, yummy.
Joanne, knife and fork. Salt and pepper. Would you like some salt and pepper?
I'd like a little bit of pepper, please. I'm not too bothered about salt.
A little bit of pepper. Right, well, it's finding things in here. I mean, look at the state of our cupboard. There you go. Do you want some heat on as well?
Yes, please.
So you make Joanne some nice food. You make Joanne some really nice food, and then she ruins it with chili. It's because she was dragged up. Well, you can put that on because I'm
Yeah,
not.
I'll
That's
do
got
that.
nothing to do with me. Hope that's really easy. I hope you get something out of that. Please subscribe because we could do with all the subscribers that we can, and enjoy your eggs. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye.